Hey guys, welcome back to the set. I am pleased that you are here. Hey, today we're doing a chicken parm sandwich on the Blackstone griddle. Man, it's gonna be some good groceries with inspiration from my darling niece. So here we go, let's do this. All right, first things first, we gotta get our chicken ready. I have 2 chicken breasts here and we're gonna make cutlets out of this. Also, get your grill pre-warmed. We're going on a low. Pre-warm this on low just to have it idling a little bit. All right, got a brand new griddle. If you don't know, just got this from Lowe's not too long ago. It's the like mid-tier culinary series. I had the one with the table out here. I decided to switch it up just a little bit. The other one was looking a little bit funky too. So new griddle, you know, all that kind of good jazz. To make things a little bit easier, I'll tell you about the inspiration first. My niece, she sends me, you know, some videos all the time of just like, you know, like shorts or reels, you know, that kind of thing. And man, I really thought this chicken parm sandwich that she sent me sounded really good. I'm doing things a little bit differently. I think they used like a sourdough loaf and you know, made some slices like that. And they just used, I don't know, they didn't show all the steps, which is why I hate the shorts. You know, do y'all like shorts or do you like the long formats? I like the long, obviously. That's what I like to do. So I have the chicken breast right here, okay? You see it? Now I want to take a sharp knife. This is from my old buddy Brad over at the Butcher Wizard. He makes and sells some pretty awesome, very inexpensive knives. And this little fillet knife is one of my favorites. So there you go. Don't pay crazy amounts for the butchers or for the grocery store to fillet your chicken for you. They'll charge you like another $1 or $1.50 more. So just do it yourself. So there's our chicken cutlets. Chicken cutlets. Okay, so we got that done. I want to take this glove off and we're going to do some working. So I got a little bit of just all-purpose flour in a dish here, and I'm going to get a couple of eggs right here. Go. Let's see, which way do I want to go? No, I want to go over here. Pew! Right over there. Right over there those eggs go. People love it whenever I throw the eggs. And I'm just going to whisk this up a little bit. Basically making a dredging station here, guys. Okay. Might add a little bit of milk there a little bit later on. And then I got another, oh dear Lord. Went right in my dang cheese. My goodness. Look at this. Ah. Hussey, take this cheese out. Anyhow, I'm using this Tillamook cheese, best cheese around in my opinion. I got another little pan right here, and I'm going to put just some regular breadcrumbs in it. All right, here we go. Seasoning wise, you know, I thought I haven't used this stuff, I haven't seen this stuff in a while. Remember these packages of Italian dressing seasoning? Why not use that? Why not use it? I'll put a little bit of that into our breadcrumbs. We'll put a little bit of that right into our flour. And we'll put some in our egg mixture. Sometimes we use this like as a marinade also. So we got a little bit of this Italian stuff in everywhere. Also going in heifer dust and heifer dust. You want to make sure these cutlets are seasoned well, okay? I didn't bring any milk with me. I'll be right back. I gotta get some milk. Got a little half and half. A little half and half. A little bit of half and half right there. I like it, it thins it out a little bit. If you don't want to do it, don't do it. All right, I want to mix up our breadcrumbs a little bit. Make sure everything is nice and incorporated. All right, so now here's our stations. Okay, got chicken, got flour, egg, and then breadcrumbs. That's just how it's going to be. I feel like the breadcrumbs need some more seasoning. More heifer dust. Oh, you know what else I was going to put in there? A little bit of grated parm. A bit of grated parm. It's going to make it so good. It's going to make it so good. All right. This is pretty much the gist of this. Oh, I got some more Italian seasoning right here. That's what I was going to put in there too. Into our breadcrumbs. All right, this ain't traditional, you know, chicken parm. And I don't even know if chicken parm really even is an Americanized thing or what, but anywho, That's beside the point, y'all. All right, we're ready to get cracking. Let's see what our temperature is. For our griddle. About 300 degrees. I'm going to bring it up just a little bit. We're on low. It's a great time for a little plug on my temperature charts, both meat and griddle temperature. I will pop up a little B-roll of it right here. Tells you about where you need to put your knobs for low, medium, you know, for frying, that kind of thing, and where your meat needs to be for your instant read. It's a pretty cool little tutorial, not tutorial, pretty cool little reference. There it is. So, y'all, I think that's about all we got. I just need to bread this stuff up. Let's do some breading. Alrighty. Just want to take said chicken breast. I'll lay that in flour first. That basically gets the exterior kind of dry. Kind of shake it off. Shake it off. My little girl, my daughter, she would tell me I'm cringy, but you know, that's all right. This chicken breast right here, mangled it a little bit. It's all right. There we go. All right. Now, we really don't need our flour any longer. Thank you, Mr. Flour. Thank you, Mr. Flour. All right. Now, what we can do, tell you what, so you can see a little bit better, because Jacob ain't here. I'll set this little station up. Now, we go into our egg. Flip that over. Now this creates a nice exterior, nice platform for the breadcrumbs. Okay? Yeah, look at those. Look at that. See the spices in there? Oh yeah. Got old mangled one here. It's okay, the mangled one needs love too, y'all. Could have did a little bit better job at butchering that up, but you know, it's okay. It's okay. It'll eat just fine. So who all has, you know, kind of shallow fried on their Blackstone? And then who, you know, didn't even know you could do that? You know, there's a lot of people, they'll put like an aluminum pan. I've done it before, down onto the griddle and you know, put some oil in it. That's a good way. And then also you can just go right onto the griddle top. That's pretty nice. And that's what we're going to do here. You just, you basically just kind of here and there, drizzle in a little bit of oil. There you go. All right. Our last chicken is done. Let's head over to the griddle and let's get these cutlets on. All right, right in the middle here, we're looking at 300, 400 degrees, which is fine. Once we put some oil down, it's going to start kind of getting, it'll lower the temperature a little bit. So my griddle pitches just a little bit towards the back, which is fine. It's kind of what you want. That's plenty of oil. Now, let's get our cutlets down right onto this centerpiece. All right. Now, what I like to do now is come in with just a little bit more oil on the opposite side of where it pitches. So it pitches down this way. So I like to come on this side right here and add a little bit of oil. There we go. We're gonna let these go for a couple minutes, maybe 2 to 3 minutes. We're gonna give them a flip, see how they are, all right? All right, let's see where our cutlets are. Start over here on this side. Now, one thing I do like to do is after I bring one up, I'll put a little bit more oil down. Oh yeah, look at that. A little bit more right there. That's perfect. That's perfect. Look at that. I'm just going to lower the heat all the way down to low right now, and I'm going to let these finish cooking. And again, we're looking for about 160 degrees, 165 degrees or so, okay? We're going to let the chicken cutlets go for another 2-3 minutes on this side. Want to get those done, we're going to go over and get our bread going, okay? All right, so I just got like an Italian loaf here, and just want to try to get this make this into a half as best as possible. And I don't know. You be the judge. I don't know. I might just take up just a little bit of this too, just to give me some room to put some stuff in. Here, Maggie. Here. Good girl. Somebody the other day said, Yeah, wash your hands after you fed your dog. And to my disbelief, I was like, gosh darn it, you're right. All these years. No, I'm just kidding. Yeah, if you look, I mean, I just drop it, and she normally gets it. So just chill out, y'all. Chill out. Y'all getting a little too crazy. So I just, just kind of made this a good vessel. Let's try this out. I like bread. Been trying to do better in life. Still got to bring these recipes to y'all. Our chicken cutlets, let's see what our old thermopan says. They're almost done, so that's good. Let's see what they look like. Oh yeah, I'm gonna bring them. Actually, I'm gonna bring them on this, up on this upper side. They look fantastic. Look really fantastic. I mean, you can't get no better than that right there. I'm just gonna let them, they just need to idle just a little while longer. I mean, they're 140, it's 155 degrees. That's actually, these are actually good. So I'm actually gonna cut these two burners here off. And all I wanna do is I just wanna let these just kinda idle, okay? Use your zones, y'all. I say this all the time, use your zones. Make things your own and use your zones. And it's a great attitude to have. Super great attitude to have. All right, so what are we gonna do with our bread? I'm glad you asked. We're gonna toast these suckers and a little bit of butter. A little bit of butter. Woo. Can't go wrong with butter. And actually, I want to do a little bit of garlic too. A little garlic butter. Yeah, get up all that goodness right there. Get it nice and hot. Ooh, yeah. I'm gonna toast this other side too. Bit of that. A little bit of that too. Chicken parm, does it need mayonnaise? Was it even a question? All right. What do you think? You thought I was gonna miss it? Heck no. Mayonnaise down. Needs that creamy element, y'all. Just needs it. There we go. All right, now, this is what we're gonna do. Let's make sure this ain't gonna get too hot. No, we're good. We are good. I'm using Rayo's marinara sauce. I love Rayo's stuff, it's so good. Just a little bit down, kind of here on this side. All right. And then we're gonna take our chicken cutlets. I'll lay these suckers. I think 2 pieces might be enough. Not too bad. Now, we'll take some more of this marinara. I'll lay that right over. I'll come in here, lay a little bit more of this marinara right on top. All right. I will come in with this mozzarella cheese. Oh, good night. I could make this a double decker. That'd be pretty awesome. Here we go. And some more to grow on right there. Now, we need to melt this cheese. I got my big dome right here. And now, got the burners back on. I'm gonna put just a little bit of water just to create a little bit of steam. Let's see what this looks like. Now, a little bit more melty, okay? I know. A little bit more. All right, moment you've been waiting for. Woo! Ha ha, boy. Oh boy. Y'all, would you look at that? Would you look at that monstrosity? Golly, boy. Look at that thing. Oh. Let's head over to the cutting board. Finish this thing up. You ready? Look at that. Cheesy, melty, gooey. Lord have mercy. I'm gonna take a little bit of chopped parsley. Put that right on the top there. Woohoo! Put just a little bit of more marinara. A little bit more parm. Can't hurt. Yeah. Yeah. About right there too, come on. That, my friends, chicken parm sandwich, boys. Woo-hoo-hoo! Would you look at that thing? All right, guys, there's nothing more to do here but to taste these groceries. Want to give her a try, give her a cut. Ooh, would you look at that? Boys and girls. I'm gonna take a little cross section here. Ooh, yeah. Oh, yeah, baby. Look at that. Oh my God. That chicken. Mmm. Oh man. Look at the gooey cheese. The cheese pull, I cut through it. Mmm. Holy smokes. I'm gonna dunk it in a little bit more of this marinara. Mmm. Oh my gosh. This is the best sandwich I've had in a long time. So messy, I don't even care. Mmm. Mmm. My goodness, the bread, nice and toasty, buttery, a little garlic. Damn. The cutlets are so tender. Those breadcrumbs. A lot of texture going on here. The creaminess of the cheese and, you know, that Duke's mayo. The bread got a little crisp to it, but it's also soft. I don't know if I can eat all of this, but I might eat all of this. I don't know. We'll see. Yeah, I'll give us a try. I guarantee you'll like it. Be great for, you know, like a group too. Have a couple of these. I mean, 2 chicken breasts, really 1 breast. We cut it in half, and that's all we use. Super cheap meal. Gosh, it's good. Make this. There might be some behind the scenes and some bloopers right now. Stay with me. A little bit of half and half right there. I like it thins it out a little bit. If you don't want to do it, don't do it. Just don't do it. Don't do it, Karen, Carl, Jeff. I see you. Dang Andersons. They over there looking out their window, wondering what I'm doing, wondering what I'm fixing. This is pretty much the gist of this. Uh-oh. Maggie hears the UPS truck. You hear it, girl? Huh? What do you hear? Huh? You hear old brown truck? Do you? She's crazy. Been trying to do better in life. Still got to bring these recipes to y'all. Here, Maggie, you can just have these. Here. Let me give you something to do. This chicken breast right here, mangled it a little bit. It's all right. It's all right. We'll give it to somebody you don't like. Oh, Jeff. Jeff! Man, I can eat this. Big old sandwich.